Ja, ich bin hier in Springfield und zwar bei den Cozy Dogs. Der gemütliche Hund. Hey.
Hello.
Are you Josh?
Yes, I'm Josh.
Hi.
David.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I heard I have to stop here
Yes.
at the Cozy Dogs to eat a Cozy Dog.
You found the right place, yeah. This is one of the original homes of the hot dog on a stick, dipped in batter and deep fried.
Okay, hot dog on a stick.
Yep.
Yeah, I haven't ate it in Germany, so I'm really excited
Okay, well,
to have my first test here.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if you want, I can bring you behind the counter and show you how we make them.
Oh, wonderful, would be wonderful.
All right.
Also wir dürfen jetzt hier hinten mit an der Küche und können uns dabei angucken.
So right here, David, we've got our Cozy Dog racks,
Ah, okay.
which my grandfather, who came up with the Cozy Dog about cooking it vertically deep in the cooking oil.
Okay.
He developed these racks where we have hot dogs that we stick popsicle sticks into.
Uh-huh.
So we can insert 3 hot dogs in here,
Okay.
and then we can dip them in the batter and deep fry
And
them.
then, okay.
So I'm going to reach right in here and grab
Yeah.
them for you. So pull these up. Sit them into the
okay.
rack like this,
Yeah.
and it uses like a pinch method to hold the sticks in there.
That's super. Ja, also ne, hier diese Panade sozusagen, die bekommen sie halt im großen Beutel angeliefert. Da werden dann einmal die Dinge eingetunkt und dann super, ne? And for 50 years now, you're here at this place, or your grandfather?
My grandfather started, it's actually been over 70 years.
70 years, yeah. And he makes this happen with this method.
He came up with this idea back in around 1946 is when he first saw it.
Okay.
And he had it kind of, he started making them and selling them as Cozy Dogs around 1949.
Yeah, okay.
And then he had the first restaurant built in 1950.
Yeah, wow. So. Altes System, bewährt. Man sieht, dass die auch ein paar Jahre auf dem Buckel haben, aber funktioniert. So, und das ist natürlich auch hier mal ein Essen direkt an der Route 66, was nicht so teuer ist. 2,85 $ für so einen Cozy Dog, finde ich absolut in Ordnung. What options do you have to eat a Cozy Dog? Do you put sauces on it or ketchup or
The main
something?
things, it's either ketchup or mustard or both.
Yeah, ketchup and mustard.
Yeah, ketchup and mustard, yep. I eat here every day,
Very good.
sometimes twice a day.
Ja, also, ne? Die Cozy Dogs, die schmecken auch hier dem Chef, denn der isst die jeden Tag. How many Cozy Dogs do you make a day, a normal day? Roundabout
About 300.
300?
Yeah.
Wow.
In the summer, we've done up to 800 a day.
Wow. Ja, und das Schöne ist, ne? Hier kriegst du einen Becher und dann kannst du so oft nachfüllen, wie du willst.
There you go, David. Ready to eat some Cozy Dogs?
Ah, wonderful. Yeah, I'm looking forward. Now
Okay.
you must show me how to eat them.
All right. I use ketchup on mine. What do you like on yours?
Yeah, ketchup,
Ketchup.
and a little bit mustard.
Okay, well, there's the
I
mustard.
think. Yeah. So, yeah, okay. I understand.
Coat it on.
So, I take both.
Take both.
Ja. Guten Appetit.
Bon appetit.
Oh. So crunchy outside.
And soft and moist on the inside.
Wonderful. Und man hat hier gar nicht so viel Teig. Der ist super crunchy außen. Dann hast du die leckere Wurst da drin. Bisschen Ketchup, Senf. Total lecker. Und das ist mal ein Fast Food hier auf unserem Weg. Super. Super. It's a typical yellow mustard from US. Eh?
Yes.
In Germany, we have a mustard tradition. We have thousands of mustards
Oh, okay.
with many different kinds of spiciness and so. And,
Okay.
But I like the American mustard.
Yeah, this is like kind of just what we would call our basic mustard.
Yeah. Do you think you have more locals than tourists, or otherwise?
It would depend on it depends on the time of year.
Okay.
Summertime, it's a lot more tourists. and,
Okay.
just people on vacation, travelers. But like in the fall and winter, it's more local.
More locals. Okay.
Yeah.
Are you proud to be a part of this American history because it's a historical road?
Yeah. I feel honored that my grandpa, I mean, for the most part, got lucky and picked this location on Route 66, and that it's been able to turn into what it is today, which is something just great for families, tourists, people from across the world to come experience like how America evolved with just our industry and our tourism and just keeping just a good old easy, relaxing, trip to do.
absolutely.
There's no big amusement parks or things along the way. It's just mom and pop businesses, small businesses, people that
super.
live on the road and
Yeah.
make their a living off of it.
Handwork, handmade things.
Handmade things, yes.
That's the way it is, and that's a good way. Yeah, absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah, cool. Cool to meet you here.
Yes, I'm glad you guys came in. It's been a joy.
Ja, Leute, also hier, Cozy Dogs, absolute Empfehlung. Ich würde hier jederzeit wieder halten, denn hier die kleinen Dinger, da kriegst du keine dreckigen Finger, schmecken richtig gut, Ketchup-Senf drauf. Die haben hier auch noch so ein paar Beilagen. Hier kannst du richtig schön satt machen für wenig Geld. Hey, Josh, thank you for letting me be here and that I can look in your kitchen. It was wonderful.
I appreciate the visit, David. Thank you so much.
Now we will go journey and we'll see. Perhaps I will come sometimes back.
Well, I hope you do make it back. You have a safe trip.
Okay,
Thank you.